Hey all you lovely people, welcome back to my channel and again on a very serious note, welcome back to my channel. I am Falguni. If you are new, I make daily vlogs and do a lot of reviews about the products I keep on using. Bella Vita Organics, the new age Ayurveda. I am just trying this brand and this is wow in many sense. I'm going to tell you about all the information I have about this brand. मुझे personally क्या लगा उसको use करके and everything which you want to know about it. So let's start the video. So this is the face wash. बॉटल मैंने बाहर ऑलरेडी निकाल के रखी है. The packaging, if you talk about it, it's really good. Here is this Ambrose thing is there in the packaging. Everything is mentioned in the cover. Bella Vita Organic is the new age Ayurveda. This face wash contains vitamin C, sandalwood, honey, coffee, neem and lemon. It helps in oil control, anti-acne, detents and brighten up your skin. What else can we want? It's easy to use and will give you an instant amazing result. So the next product we are exploring is the Bella Vita scrub. It's a very different kind of a scrub. Best part is जब भी आप उसे use करोगे, I am sure you will love it. Though I am going to give you the first impression after using the Bella Vita scrub, but before that आप लोगों को दिखाना तो पड़ेगा ना. So this is the packaging as usual. The packaging is wonderful, just wonderful. Now here comes the bottle. Just see how it is. सब आपको पूरा dry scrub, proper dry scrub you will get and you can mix it with anything whenever you are using it. So the Bella Vita scrub is very easy to use. You just have to mix the grit with any skincare product of your choice and you have to massage it there for 2 minutes and wash it off. So I am going to use it with the Bella Vita body lotion. See, I am just mixing that scrub with the body lotion. It's wonderful to use. It's very easy. Just mix it, mix it, mix it. This is how the scrub looks and I am massaging it on my elbow. We are going to wash it off. It is very easy to use. It will leave your skin soft and supple. It is gentle enough to use it on the face as well as on the body. It consists of the coffee powder, rock salt, walnut and mixed herbs with extra virgin coconut oil. So see how beautiful and supple my skin is looking. So the very next thing is कि जब आप स्क्रब करते हो, हम सब लोगों को अच्छा लगता है कि स्क्रब करके एक फ्रेश लुक मिल जाता है. But how many of us actually scrub our lips? Bella Vita Organics has introduced a very amazing lip scrub. Why it is amazing? First of all, उसकी packaging बहुत cute है, जो कि it looks like this. It's very cute packaging. Secondly, it is good for both men and women. Now let me first open it and show it to you कि क्यों मैं उसको लेके इतनी excited हूँ. The Bella Vita Organic Lip Scrub is known as Nicolips. It helps in lip lightening and used as a scrub as well as balm, considered with walnut, beetroot and natural butters. You just have to take it, massage it on your lips for 1 to 2 minutes and then wash it off or wipe it off. There will be no stains left in the lips, so everyone can use it, man and woman. It's easy to use. So the very next product is from the lips. We are shifting to our eyes. आप लोगों में से किसको ये प्रॉब्लम होती है कि सुबह उठते हैं ना, हमारा फेस इट लुक्स लाइक सो स्वेल्ड अप. मेरे साथ ये बहुत होता है. माय फेस इज लाइक स्वेल्ड अप. सुबह उठते हैं आंखें ऐसी पफी हो जाती है. सो फॉर दैट दिस थिंग इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. सो आई एक्चुअली हैव टू अप्लाई इट, क्योंकि मैं इसे अप्लाई नहीं करूंगी तो मैं आपको कैसे करके बताऊंगी. इसको लगा के मैं रात को इसको लगा के सो गई. आई यूज्ड इट अंडर माई आईज. आई विल शो यू हाउ टू यूज इट, बट येस आई यूज्ड इट अंडर माई आईज. और सुबह उठ के एक कामनेस थी. देखिए, एक दिन में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा मेरे आंखों में ओवरऑल पफीनेस में, बट एक काफी कामनेस था. सब कुछ बहुत आराम से सेटल हो गया. बहुत इजीली ये आपके स्किन के साथ मिक्स हो जाता है. जेल बेस्ड क्रीम है. So the last thing from the Bella Vita Organics is butter. This is going to very it will be needed in every step, especially in this winter season. The best part is it is very radiant. It will give an instant glow to the skin. First, I'll show you the box. So this is the box of the body butter. It's a multi-purpose body butter with the name of Bella Vita Organic Skin Solve Multi-Benefit Butter Balm. The Bella Vita body butter consists of butter and oils. This is completely natural multi-benefit butter balm. Works wonder on giving relief from dryness, skin irritation, rashes, chapped lips, stretch marks, sunburns, and very easy to use. You just have to take a little amount and it will get spread out very easily and get absorbed in your skin. You just have to apply a thin layer and you are ready to get a glowing radiant skin. Okay, so that's all for today's vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Do give a try to all this product from Bella Vita Organics. They are really good. The quality is, trust me, it's very good. You can check their website. They have many more stuff in their store. They have stuff regarding like everything, men's and women grooming stuffs are there. These products are really good on skin. Do use them. You will see the difference from the first go only, and that is my promise. I will give you the link in the description box. If you have any doubt regarding any product which I have shown in this video, do let me know in the comment section so that I can get back to you immediately. So that's all from my end. See you in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care. And yes, if you're new to the channel, if you like to watch my videos, if you like to watch my vlog, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and bye, take care.